In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset MetaMask account password. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Resetting your MetaMask password requires your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the only way to restore your wallet on a device. If you don't have it, stop and locate it first. Also, make sure you're using the official MetaMask extension or mobile app. Avoid typing your recovery phrase into any website or pop-up. Only use the trusted MetaMask interface. Start by signing out of MetaMask so you can access the unlock screen. If you're currently logged in, click the account icon in the top right corner and choose Log Out. This takes you back to the standard unlock view where password recovery lives. Logging out does not remove your wallet, it simply brings you to the screen you need to start the reset process. On the unlock screen, look for the Forgot Password link, usually just below the password field. Click it to open MetaMask's recovery flow. This is the secure built-in method to reset your local password, and it works by verifying your secret recovery phrase. Now enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase exactly as it was given to you. Type the words in the correct order, typically all lowercase, one per field if prompted. Take your time and ensure there are no typos or extra spaces. Do this privately, no screenshots, no screen sharing, and never share these words with anyone. Your secret recovery phrase gives full control over your wallet and funds, so keep it offline, stored securely, and out of view. Once your phrase is accepted, create and confirm a new password for your wallet. Choose something strong and unique. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This password protects access on this device. It does not replace your secret recovery phrase. Consider storing it in a trusted password manager and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. Finally, click Restore. MetaMask will unlock your wallet using the new password. Give it a moment to reinitialize. Your accounts and balances will appear as the app reconnects to the network. If you restored with the correct recovery phrase, you'll be right back in your wallet, secured with your new password. That's it. You logged out, used forgot password, confirmed your identity with your secret recovery phrase, set a strong new password, and clicked Restore. Keep your recovery phrase safe and never share it. If you ever lose it, MetaMask cannot recover it for you. Thanks for watching and stay secure.